How to use cleaning sprays to kill wasps. Wasps become active in warm weather, presenting a potential problem if they migrate to your property. Wasp stings can range from painful to dangerous, especially if the person stung is allergic to them. Wasps can also be particularly menacing if you have small children around. Although there are manufactured wasp sprays on the market, you can kill the potent insects with products found around your home. This can save you a trip to the store, as well as help you deal with the problem without resorting to toxic chemicals. Things you'll need: 1 pint bleach, 2 pints water, broom/pole, lawn sprayer, long sleeve shirt and jeans, large rock/concrete block. Mix 1 pint of bleach and 2 pints of water in a lawn sprayer. The more powerful the lawn sprayer, the safer you will be, as it will allow you to stand at a greater distance from the nest. Test your sprayer to gauge its distance capability. When you know how far it will reach, approach in the nest and start spraying from as far away as you can. Be ready to set the sprayer down and run if wasps come at you. Soak the nest as thoroughly as you can. Return to the nest 1 hour later. Knock it down with a broom or pole. Be ready to spray it again, as there will still be wasps alive inside it. Crush the nest with a large rock or concrete block once you feel comfortable in approaching it. This will help kill any wasps remaining inside. Empty out the rest of the bleach and water onto the crushed nest. Tips: Warnings. Attack the nest at dusk or dawn, when the wasps are less active. Wear protective clothing, such as long-sleeve shirts and jeans.